Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Mirle. I'm the product head at Bhimart. So we're gonna talk a little more about Bhimart RISE, which is on a seller side application, which we would consider it as a point of sale system. So Bhimart RISE, as RISE speaks about retail integrated solutions for everyone. So what we actually trying to achieve here is to move from traditional to digital. Our major target audience is SMEs, which are small and medium scale retail stores. We want to convert all the retail stores from traditional to working on a digital platform. So how we are trying to achieve that is with a lot of R&D which we did with in-house system. We did speak to a lot of store workers, the managers, the store owners. So we did collect a lot of data and we came up a prototype on Bhimart RISE. But once we actually initialized the Bhimart RISE as a prototype, we actually went on to market again. We went into the field. We actually collected even more information. We did a lot of work around with the UI, the UX, and even the workflows, which you can actually probably see at the current application which we have actually developed. So one of the key things which we are trying to achieve here is that we want to reduce the number of clicks or number of time which a customer spends in a retail store. So for example, let's say a customer is buying 5 to 10 products and the time to build those products would take close to a minute or two, which we are trying to reduce it in few seconds. So that way we are trying to build our user experience much faster, much quicker, where a retail store owner or a store manager can cater to multiple customers. The main features which we actually target, or what we thought would actually fit in for retail segment, is having an online and offline billing module, having an inventory module system with purchase order management and a vendor management system. We also offer reports and analytics. We have inventory management as that, as well as in inventory management we have a GST compliance system. So even our reports, what you actually see today, are GST compliant. So you can file your GST reports accordingly. We have something called order management system. So we have two types of order management system. One is an offline, which is a walk-in customer. We have also an online customer through our Bhimart e-commerce application. So all these processes are pretty fast, pretty easy, and pretty quick. So one of the key things which we are actually trying to target is also giving them a dashboard in Bhimart RISE, where as soon as someone logs in, or a store owner or a manager logs in, he gets the trend of the store, of how much sales it is making, how many products is being sold, how much is the inventory, what are the low stock items. And our key hardware things are that since we target small and medium size sectors, or small and medium size retail stores, so the store would be very small, and they cannot have a laptop, or they cannot have a desktop or a bigger machines to actually run the system. We have built on an Android application, so where you can actually run on an Android phone with a Bluetooth printer which is connected to your Android phone, or you also have something called handheld devices. These are POS handheld devices where you have an integrated Bluetooth printer. Let me walk you through the application which we currently have on the Android phone. So as soon as I've logged in, you can actually see, now that I've logged in, you can actually see the dashboard which says the revenue which you have made, the total orders, number of pending orders, average basket size which you make in your store. This can actually even be filtered with day, week, or a month. Let me just walk you through a quick billing process. So I'll just go into billing. I'll have to search for a customer. So I can just search for the customer name or customer details. And once I search for customer details, you will already have the results popped out, and then based on the customer you can actually even do upsell and cross-sell suggestions. So now I would also want to tell you that how quick you can actually do a billing. So I'll just put on a scanner button. So as soon as I scan, now that I've actually scanned a product, you already have the information displayed here, which was a Himalayan hand sanitizer. You have the details present here. You can actually increase the quantity, decrease the quantity. You have all the pricing listed down here. So I can just do a click on checkout button. The checkout is very easy. So already the data is already populated with all the taxes. You can actually hit on a print button where you can complete a payment with the list of this one, and you already have a Bluetooth printer which is already fired a print within no time. Finally, I would probably want to talk about the key USPs of Bhimart RISE, what we're kind of offering to the retail segment currently. So we have a stress-free inventory management system. We have a faster billing cycle than any other player in the market. We are a GST compliant system. We support multiple payments. We have real-time reporting system where you can actually track from anywhere and any part of the world. We have an easy order management system for both offline and online. We have something called upsell and cross-sell, where you can actually make more business than what you are actually currently doing with our current Bhimart RISE. We have a dedicated customer support, which is very crucial at the current market because they take care of customers, they take care of sellers as a whole platform altogether. And at last, I would say the power is at your fingertips.